Eddie, quick little video on doing a bit of a canoe revamp. So this is my canoe that I use for duck hunting. Just setting it up with a water snake, electronic motor, run off a battery, so it's a 24-pound thrust. So cheap as, it was like 149 bucks. So I got it from Jarvis Walker or something, but made in China, which I wasn't too keen on. But anyway, so setting that up, gonna run a thicker cord because I'm actually gonna have the battery up there. So, and I'm changing these alligator clips over to Anderson plugs. I've got a battery box coming that's got Anderson plugs already set up, and it got a couple of 12-volt USB ports and a 12-volt Siggy lighter port, so that'll be come in handy to charging the phones and cameras and all that sort of stuff when we're going on our trips. So at the moment I'm in the planning process of making a pontoon. I'm just going to try, it's more like an outrigger, so I'm just going to do it on one side at the moment, just see how that goes, because I want the other side for open access that we can fish out of and have no obstructions and stuff. So planning on doing a bit of fishing up in the lakes, Lake Eildon, and maybe even Dartmouth Dam once all these restrictions from the virus lifts, you know, all that shenanigans. So but gives us a bit of time. We've got no work at the moment, so we're not allowed to work, so thought I might do a little project for when we are allowed out. We can, you know, do some camping and more or less finished me little canoe project. So she's all rigged up with some outriggers filled with foam, and got my solar panel, got my battery all hooked up, and Anderson plugs hooking the solar panel and the motor down the back, as you can see. So it's a 24-pound thruster, water snake. Beefed up the wiring, and there she is. So it's looking a bit of a rig now. Hope to get amongst it. Whew. So we're just off to do a bit of a water test with the canoe. Somebody seems very happy to go as well down the beach. So it's all on, packed in. Probably going to pack it a little bit different when we're actually going on a trip, but this is just 2 minutes down the road. So, so we're just down at Blairgowrie Beach, just setting it up, but yeah, we're all good to go, so just heading back out there, so it should be good. Got these buckets for a bit of a weight test, so they hold 20 kilos each. So that's it, she's all working. Battery's on, solar panel's connected, so we're just gonna push her out and test her. We christened this canoe duck fever. What about trout fever?
No, we'll think of something. Oh, she's afloat. She's afloat. First ride in the boat. First ride. Oops, 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 oops. Relax, relax.
our first trip out in the little canoe with all the setup, and got outfished by the little wifey, didn't I? And we got four, oh not we, somebody got 4 squid. To me, 0. Woo.